We are here at the Central Hotel here in Sevierville, Tennessee. And check out what we have here. You guys are in treat.
I'm a waiter boy.
Damn, this thing is loud. Yeah, ThyssenKrupp. That's like ThyssenKrupp. This. Wow.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Wow, that's really nice.
Sit on your desk, okay?
Okay. S. Program interim roll. Here we go. Whoa. Sky Lounge. Cool. Ow, that time was snoring. They actually got a pretty nice cab. They probably rebuilt this within the past, I would say, year or two. It's actually pretty nice. Although this hammer could use some fixing. Here we're at the main level. Very Canadian. I'm sending you all the way up because that fornicator is pretty cool. And this is what it used to look like. That's cool. A very modern elevator like this with a retro touch from the past.
Yep. Go on.
That's the old hotel building. What does it look like? But anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.